Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a very special video of products that I've been talking about for the past couple of weeks now on our Mobile Weekly shows and other videos, and that are Gunnar glasses. Now Gunnar glasses are something that I've had for a long time, but I did not realize how far they have come since using them back in the day. So for those of you who don't know, Gunnar glasses, the whole idea behind them was originally just a really nice way to keep your eyes from straining and having eye fatigue. This is definitely geared towards gamers, but also just people like me that sit in front of a computer screen all day, and I'm sure people like you that just watch any kind of screen all day, because now we're in our cell phones and it's only more important to take care of your eyes and to not have them be as strained. And that's what I used to love back in the day with Gunnar glasses. Now, however, they have a whole slew of different kind of lineups, from sunglasses to gamer glasses to everyday glasses that filter out blue light. And you can even add a prescription to them, which I really do appreciate, and something I'll be talking about towards the end of the video. So let's go through all four of the ones I've been testing out and just give you some highlights of them. So first, the Valve sunglasses. Now, these sunglasses have looked really good in my opinion. They have been my favorite pair of sunglasses, just simply for the fact that they tint blue light and they just have such a subtle tint that you can even wear them inside. You might look a little, whatever, but it's just the point of the fact that you can see everything inside. The tint is so subtle, and quite honestly, to be frank, these are the best pair of sunglasses I have ever owned throughout all my years. I just love the style, the quality of it, and it just really definitely stands out. Then we have the Torpedo glasses. Now these are gamer glasses, definitely. The style of it, the look of it, and they just feel really good all in all. It's just a really great experience to actually wear these when you are in front of a computer screen. It's like a clarity has been heightened, and I really don't know how better to describe that, except things look sharper. And these are really great for that. If you just want to be in front of a computer screen or game or do anything of that nature, these are really great. In days where I was playing Kingdom Hearts 3 for long periods of time, you better believe I was wearing these, and it just brought a really great experience, and I didn't have as much eye fatigue. And I tested this out, by the way, by just seeing, okay, let me do 3 hours with it, and I did 1 hour without them. And in 1 hour without them, my eyes were more, like I felt like I was blinking more and like I was strained more than compared to when I didn't have them. So it could be psychological, but I have had all these different tests throughout my life, just seeing, are these worth it and do they really work? And yeah, in my opinion, they completely work, and they completely make gaming experience and sitting in front of a computer a much better experience on a day-to-day basis. Then we have the Athertone glasses, and these ones are really sleek. These were actually my wife's favorite of the bunch. I think they fit her frame a little bit better than mine, but I think they're really stylish, and again, these are great for filtering out blue light. You have 100% UV filter on here, so it's just a really nice way to kind of get what you need to be done, and everyday glasses that you can wear and add a prescription to that honestly are really good quality. Then finally, we have the Menlo glasses, and these ones are really nice as well. Have a different kind of look that I don't know if I can pull off, but I definitely could see a lot of people wearing this. I think if you have a smaller head, as my wife tells me, I have a very big head, so I cannot pull these off, and I think they're for a smaller frame. But all in all, these are definitely a standout in terms of, again, just everyday glasses that will be really good. Now, I will end with this, that I have really grown to love these. The Torpedoes are at my computer desk at all times now. My sunglasses are always in my car, so I can have them when I go out, and I just love using them. And it's really been great to have high quality products. Honestly, I've had these Armani glasses for a long time, and I'm going to look in actually to replace them with a Gunnar prescription glass. We weren't able to get prescription version just because it would have taken too much time, and I really wanted to get this review out. So I will be looking actually to Gunnar to hopefully get a prescription version soon, so that I can actually wear them on our Mobile Weekly show, because sometimes, like right now, I can't even see the computer screen in front of me. I can't read the text too well except for the big names, and that's about it. So having regular glasses that actually look better and I don't like the way they look as much. With the blue light filter, with everything, I think will be a much better experience. And you'll know if you see me with some new glasses on Mobile Weekly in a couple weeks, you know why. All right guys, let me know your thoughts about this. Have you ever tried Gunnar glasses? Have you ever thought, oh wow, I spent a lot of time in front of electronics, maybe I should look into these? Let me know in the comment section down below, and all the links for all of the glasses that were featured here will be in the description. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there, and right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.